SurveySparrow Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to SurveySparrow are in the description below. In this video, we're reviewing SurveySparrow, a powerful survey and feedback automation tool designed for businesses that need to collect, analyze, and act on customer insights efficiently. Whether you're in marketing, HR, customer experience, or product development, SurveySparrow provides an intuitive and automated way to gather data and improve engagement. One of its standout features is the conversational survey experience, which transforms traditional surveys into engaging, chatbot-like interactions, leading to higher completion rates. You can create personalized, logic-driven surveys that adapt based on user responses, ensuring a more tailored experience. The platform also supports multi-channel distribution, meaning surveys can be sent via email, SMS, embedded on websites, or even through WhatsApp and Slack. SurveySparrow's automation capabilities streamline workflows by triggering follow-ups based on responses. For example, negative feedback can automatically generate a ticket in a CRM, and satisfied customers can be directed to leave reviews. With customizable workflows, you can integrate SurveySparrow with tools like Zapier, HubSpot, Salesforce, and Google Sheets to ensure data flows seamlessly into your existing systems. For businesses focused on customer and employee experience, the NPS, Net Promoter Score, CSAT, and Employee Pulse survey templates make it easy to track satisfaction levels over time. The real-time analytics dashboard provides actionable insights with advanced reporting, segmenting responses based on behavior, demographics, or sentiment analysis. Another key feature is white labeling, allowing businesses to fully customize the branding and domain of their surveys for a professional look. It also supports offline surveys, making it ideal for event-based feedback collection. SurveySparrow offers flexible pricing, including a free trial, making it accessible for small businesses while still providing enterprise-grade features. If you're looking for a user-friendly, automation-driven survey tool to boost engagement and improve decision-making, SurveySparrow is an excellent choice. Check out the links in the description to get started.